Hey everyone, I hope you're ready for another art lesson with Miss S. This week we are going to be creating some beautiful sparkly diamonds. We are going to be creating this project using a watercolor technique that I'm going to show you all about. Now, if you don't want to do this exact diamond, you can do whichever one you would like to do. I'm going to add an attachment of all different types of diamonds that you can draw as well. So if you want to look at that before we start, feel free. I'm going to be drawing this type of diamond. Now, if you notice in my diamond, I have some white marks that come through. These are the sparkly little aspects of our diamond. It's really important that we have a white crayon to get this effect.
This is where the resist comes in. The wax of the crayon will resist the watercolor paint, and then the white will show through in the end.
So make sure you have a white crayon readily available for this project. What we also need for this project is white paper, like we've always been using. You'll also need markers for this project. I'm going to be using Crayola because these are water soluble and we're going to turn them into a watercolor in a bit. You will also need a permanent marker. I'm going to be using a Sharpie. If you have any other markers, make sure it is permanent because once we start painting, we don't want this to bleed. And a paintbrush. You will also need a piece of tin foil, a Ziploc bag, or a piece of plastic like saran wrap or plastic wrap, because that's how we are going to make our markers turn into watercolor. It's going to be really fun. So get all of your supplies, find a space to do your artwork, and let's get started.
We're going to start on our white piece of paper with a pencil, and we're going to draw an elongated hexagon. The top part is going to look like a pointed part of the house, two long sides, and then the same pointed house on the bottom. Where all of our points meet, I want you to draw about a 2-inch line coming out of each one of them. We're going to connect those lines just like we did with the original hexagon. It's kind of look like a turtle shell. When you're done drawing your diamond, Sharpie all of your pencil lines and then erase your pencil marks. Now remember, you can draw any type of diamond you want. You don't have to copy mine. Now it's time to go in with our white crayon. I'm going to go along on the edges and make some dashed lines. You can even draw some stars as a little reflection on your diamond. These white marks will show when we start doing the watercolor part. When you're ready to paint, grab 2 markers that you want to use. I'm going to be using blue and purple. You'll also see that I have a piece of plastic that I'm coloring my markers on. You can use tinfoil or a Ziploc bag for this part as well. You are simply going to color onto that plastic or tinfoil and then get your paintbrush, put some water in it, and use it like you would watercolor. Now it's time to see if our white marks will show through. As you can see, it's starting to show through. If you colored hard enough, your white marks will show through when you start painting. I'm doing an every other pattern for my painting. You can do what you would like to do as well. It's up to you. 2 colors works best for this, but I would love to see your different types of variations. If you run out of paint on your plastic bag or tinfoil, you can color it again with your marker. Keep painting until your entire diamond is finished. And there you have it, friends, a beautiful diamond painting.